We have a new viral product from Singapore called the Ubersuave Ocean Mist Sea Salt Spray. So let's find out what it's all about. The Ocean Mist Textured Sea Salt Spray is a spray that gives you both definition and texture to your hair. Not only that, it gives a heat protection and moisturizing effect. Once you spray this on your hair, it will give you a tousled look and it's as though as you spend a day at the beach. This will boost volume and texture to your hair and also enhance your hair natural flow. Unlike other sea salt sprays that will dry out your hair, this one is infused with dead sea salt for natural texture, pentanol for moisture, hydrolyzed wheat soil, and corn proteins to strengthen